Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk Way. I was inspired by a few other channels who made videos about how much they made on YouTube. We have Ryan Scribner, Nate O'Brien, Investing Hustler, and Graham Stefan. It was incredibly inspiring to see how these channels make so much money. So I wanted to show you guys my earnings for this channel too. This is not to show off. I just hope to push you guys to start a new business. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact amounts I make from YouTube in a month. Subscribe and leave a like for more investing videos. I make them every day. And make sure to check out my stock market group below, where I show you guys every single buy or sell I make in the market. As some of you probably know, there are a lot of ways to make money on YouTube. The main source of income for most people on here is advertisements. This is all the video ads and banner ads you see on YouTube videos. This is one of the top sources of income for YouTube. The second source is affiliate marketing. This is where you leave an Amazon link in the description of your video, and if anybody buys from that link, you get a cut of their purchase, about 3 to 5%. The third way is selling courses. This is what I do. This is where you leave a link to your course below your video, and if your viewers are interested in buying it, they can purchase directly from you. I prefer this method because you know you can trust the guy making the videos. And the last method is a sponsored video. This is where you put direct advertisements inside your actual video. I haven't done one of these yet. So how much does a fairly small channel like mine make with 38,000 subscribers? This really depends on views. I'll show you guys one whole month of the money I make on my channel. This is for September of last year. As you can see, I got $1,300. Moving downwards, we can see what videos made the most money. Canopy Growth versus Aurora Cannabis. This is actually my most popular video right now, with 100,000 views. It made me almost $300 in a month. This video about my stock market watch list made almost $200 that month. And my Stocks to Buy series, which gets a lot of views, made $184 last month. The good thing about these videos is that the income is pretty much passive. After you finish making it, it pays you every single day. Let's look at my most popular video. It's paying me less now, but it's still a small amount of money every day. Here's the last 30 days. We can see about $26 for the 30 days. So still about $1 a day. This is a video that's gonna pay me for the rest of my life, without doing any work. This is why passive income is so strong. Over a lifetime, we can see some videos paying us $400, $300, $250, and as high as $700. Meaning this one video I made paid me $400. That's a pretty good deal. I have two sources of income on YouTube. One is the advertisements, but the other is my stock market group, which I advertise on every video. I'll show you guys exactly how much I make on this in a month. For the month of September, I actually made $9,200. This is about 500 students in my group. We can see 520 sales, a small amount of refunds. Looking at the charts, I was getting an average of $300 a day. Some days as high as $740. This is why a course might actually make you a lot more money than advertisements. Although the YouTube videos I saw, it seems like my channel is pretty low when it comes to advertisement money. For a total of $10,680, $1,300 from advertisements, and over $9,000 from the course. This should grow exponentially from here. Maybe $20,000 by next year, hopefully more. So how long did it take to get to $10,000 a month, or $120,000 a year? I started this channel on May 10th, 2017, and what I showed you was September 2018. So that's about 1 year and 4 months. I think this is pretty fast growth, but some channels explode much faster than mine. For the average person putting in the time and efforts, it might take around 2 years to get to 30,000 subscribers, a million views, and maybe $10,000 a month. I also deleted a lot of my old videos, and also took 2 long breaks. Recently I took a 3-month break, which really reduced my income for the months. So with YouTube, you don't want to take too many breaks. In recent months, my income pretty much went to half, about $5,000 USD. Now most of my income is actually not passive, because my new videos make a lot of the money. My old ones pretty much only pay $1 a day on average, and my stock market group takes daily updates. But it's only around 15 minutes a day, so it's still mostly passive income. One thing I don't have is a viral video. My highest viewed video is my marijuana video, 100,000 views. This is not really viral. And the other ones are the Stocks to Buy videos, which are always popular. A viral video would be something like 300,000 views. For example, Ryan Scribner, he has a few viral videos, over 1 million views. This one has almost 4 million. But this is 6 videos with over 1 million views, which really boosts revenue. You should try your best to make a really high quality video, and there's a chance it'll go viral and get more than 100,000 views. That's where the real money is made. Subscribe and leave a like for more investing videos. I make them every day. And check out my stock market group below. Join a team of 500 members who gets daily updates of all my stock trades. Keep watching to buy the best stocks the Monk way.